This next practice is called ujjayi breathing. Some people like to call ujjayi breathing the ocean breath, and other people with a sense of humor like to call it the Darth Vader breath. And that's because it makes a gentle sound that comes from the back of the throat. And we'll go into that in a little while. But first of all, let me explain why I'm introducing the ujjayi breath into this practice. The ujjayi breath has a calming effect on the nervous system that you will feel as you practice, and your baby will also feel because of the calming waves that will radiate from you, but also because your baby will be able to hear your breath. That saying, it doesn't mean that our breath needs to be very loud, as if we force the breath to be loud, then we'll come into the more sympathetic state. So we'll come into the more active state of the nervous system. So we want to keep the breath relatively quiet, and the sound will come by itself. So to start with, I'm going to ask you to blow out through your mouth as if you're going to clean a pair of sunglasses. So and then do the reverse. And then again. Reverse it. And continue. Now continue doing what you're doing, but close the mouth. And you'll notice that you're probably making the sound of a gentle wave. Keep the tongue soft. Allow the jaw to be soft. And allow the exhale to become longer than the inhale. So observe the length of your inhale and let your exhale become that little bit longer. And this is ujjayi breathing. As you're doing this breath now, you may like to observe how your body responds to your breath. So how your body may expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Just tuning into the expansion of your body on the inhale and softening on the exhale. The way the body expands into the environment around you. Softening, recentering on the exhale. Ujjayi means victorious, victorious breath. As the idea is that the ujjayi breath, it calms the nervous system and brings us into a more balanced place to feel a sense of inner calm. This practice as a standalone, it could be done during Tadasana. It can be done whilst rocking your baby to sleep for comforting your baby. And it can also be done at those moments when you need a little bit more strength. As well as maybe when you're in bed and you can't get back to sleep or can't get to sleep. You can connect to your ujjayi breath and allow your body to calm, be guided by the sound of your breath back to sleep. So as you can see, there are many different ways that we can use ujjayi. Not everybody finds the ujjayi breath easy to do. And if that includes yourself, we will be doing many other breath practices. So please don't get stuck on this one. However, if you have enjoyed it, I invite you to practice it wherever, whenever you may like a little extra strength and a little extra support.